AI is an incredible tool to reclaim work. We are stuck in a world where we think employment and work are the same thing, and they, my friends, are not. AI is great at completing tasks. It does not replace talent.
Without a doubt, top 10 best presenters.
AI will fundamentally change the way we do business, the way we work, the way that we build relationships. We need to move from proof of concept, it's a cool idea, to full-scale deployment.
Josh is a Web3 advisor and co-author of Employment is Dead, published by Harvard Business Press.
You are literally the last line of defense when it comes to making the case that humanity matters at work. But if it's all about what's the next shiny thing without focusing on our impact, our role in the future of AI, we're gonna miss an opportunity.
This guy is remarkable.
He brought excitement and energy.
We are at this conference to try and figure out how do we get work back on track. This is a deeply human problem that requires intergenerational collaboration.
We're thrilled to have Josh Drean on the show today. His new book, After the Jobs Are Gone, is set to revolutionize how we think about the future of work, and it's coming out very soon.
The traits that make us human are going to be our competitive advantage. It's going to be the collaboration, the creativity. AI cannot replace that.
If you have an opportunity to have Josh speak at your conference, you need to jump on that opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Drean. 박수로 환영해 주세요.
Listen, South Korea, you guys are the real beatboxers, though, because beatboxer Wing, you guys know him? Dopamine. Yeah, no? When you're filling out your evaluations, can you just say, like, the chicken guy was my favorite? That would be great. Here we go. It just feels like there's an influx of change in technologies.
Oh, yeah.
The key is to embrace a proactive and adaptable approach within the organization.
His book has been endorsed by thought leaders like Adam Grant and Josh Bersin.
The case for humanity at work is going to matter so much more in the future rather than dwindling and disappearing.
Josh's speech was empowering, unforgettable.
I love the work that we get to do. I have never met a group of people who are so passionate.
You have the correct roadmap in your hand, and you're implementing AI in a way that makes sense today.
We definitely want him back again next year.
What do people need from their leaders the most right now? Trust just got beat out for the #1 spot, and it's not even close. It's hope. Employees are so desperate for hope that they are begging it from their leaders. The #1 thing that you can do amidst the chaos of today's world is instill hope. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Drean. I gotta say, I didn't know you were so talented. Thank you for the great speech.